Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
We're with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So Remodel Your Thinking is a series that we have that gets you thinking a little bit differently about our world of remodeling, and hopefully you take away some good information. So if you think you're going to do a remodeling project in the future, then you have some more
a little information that it's not quite as scary as
not as scary as you think. It's not as scary as you think.
So today's subject is
5 signs that you definitely need to remodel your bathroom. So probably the very first sign would be, what would you say?
It's a little outdated. That would be my first sign.
Yeah, or maybe it's just not your style, but you can clearly see if it's outdated. It's not doing it for you, then that's definitely a sign.
The materials that were used 20, 30, 40 years ago just don't do it anymore. Cultured marble, the old pink and blue colored tiles that need to be updated. So that's definitely a sign. Another one is really the flow of the bathroom. Are you bumping into each other every time you're getting ready in the morning? Is
it cramped? Is it, we've done bathrooms where they sort of jet this way, that way, this way, that way, and it's just not a flow.
Exactly.
It's not a good flow. So that's definitely another sign. Another one is your tub. So some tubs we've seen where they are literally in the middle of the bathroom. So there's really, you have to walk around it, or it's just,
It was a style. It was, the centerpiece of the bathroom, but it eats up all the space. So it's incredibly inefficient. And to us, that's one of those things that we pretty much, we ripped that thing out. It's definitely a sign.
It's a sign. Storage. That's another one. That's definitely a sign that you might need a bathroom renovation, because if you don't have enough storage, maybe for your linens, medicines, things like that, toilet paper, all kinds of things that you want to keep in your bathroom, and you don't want to have to go down the hall or somewhere to get it, to bring it back, it might be time to remodel your bathroom.
The other one that's kind of an obvious one,
Numero cinco
would be a previous leak in the bathroom, which pipes, they do leak, and it's caused damage. There could be mold, it could just be a constant leak that's ruining everything else. That's kind of the obvious sign that it's time to remodel your bathroom.
And it might have been a previous leak, so if it was a previous leak and it's fixed now, but there's sort of leftover damage, something like, moldy.
Don't mind the helicopter.
This is why it's real, because we get things like a flyby or something. But yeah, if it's something that happened before and you sort of have remnants of an old leak, then that's definitely a sign that you need to remodel your bathroom. So hopefully you learned something today. We covered 5 things. There are probably more than that, but we're just limited on time and don't want to
eat up the whole day with all the reasons why we could give you why you need to remodel your bathroom, which we could.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we hope to see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking, and subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends if you feel like you're in love with this, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.